The extension table comes in 5 sections: the aluminium arms, corner units, the Fluent Roller tracks with its clips, and the feet. Place 4 arms in a rectangle on the floor. Join the aluminium arms at each corner by screwing the corner units into each arm, one by one. Use the Allen key provided to fasten them. But not too tight to start with. Once you have formed a rectangle with the 4 arms, screw the feet in to the corner units. Repeat this process to form another rectangle. Now on one of the rectangles, join 4 aluminium arms vertically at each corner. Use 2 corner units for each to secure them together. Once you have done all 4 corners, simply join the 2 rectangles by hand so that it becomes one unit. And now secure it together by using 3 corner units at each end, at the top and at the bottom. And then fasten everything tightly. You can now add the Fluent Roller tracks with the clips provided. Pop a clip on, slide the roller into the clip, move to the other side, slip the track onto the clip and pop the clip onto the aluminium arm. You can add as many tracks as you like, up to 7, depending on your work type. Use the nut at the feet unit to adjust the table up or down, and there you have it, your extension table is ready for use.
In 2020, we celebrate 8 years in business, heading toward infinity and beyond. AM.CO.za. Achievement matters.